connections, and driving growth for everyone. Gaya ng sabi kanina. This week, we're glad to present to you two RISE leaders who are all about beautification with a purpose, one for yourself and one of your home or workplace. So our first speaker brands himself as Mr. Worldwide, a name reflecting his vision to create global impact by helping people around the world become more confident in their own skin. He brings not only almost 20 years of experience of skincare distribution under his skin across 35 countries. He is also a registered nurse, both here and in the US. So you can be confident that what he recommends is sound. Legit talaga. Outside of work, he is a devoted husband and a proud father of two. And he loves anime, martial arts, food adventures, and even plants. His mission is simple but powerful: to help more people look better, feel better, and become more confident. Because confidence creates opportunities in business, relationships, and life. It's not just about appearance, but also empowerment. Rise leaders, let's give a glowing welcome to our first speaker, Arthur Macogay Jr.
Good morning, BNI Rise. Before we start, let's do a quick question. Sino dito yung nasaktan na? Type 1 sa chat. Sino naman dito yung nasaktan na tapos nahirapan pang mag-move on? Type 2 sa chat. Oh, I see a lot of twos. Ang daming humugot ngayong morning. Maraming salamat sa pagiging honest, pero huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi po love life ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ang tanong ko is, isa ka ba sa mga taong nag-try gumamit ng matapang na skincare o kaya nag-avail ng peeling at painful medical treatment tapos nasaktan, natusok, namula, namalat? Kaya ayaw nang sumubok ulit at nahirapan mag-move on. Kung isa ka doon, this presentation is exactly for you. I'm Arthur Macogay Jr., your USNPH registered nurse with more than 17 years experience in skincare distribution. And today, I'm here to tell you that skincare shouldn't hurt. Tapos na po tayo sa era ng tiis ganda. Welcome to the era ng bilis ganda. For decades, alam natin, para gumanda ang balat, kailangan dumaan sa hapdi. Kailangan tiisin ang pamamalat. Or worse, nagko-cover up na lang tayo gamit ang makakapal na makeup at 10-step routines. Dahil natatakot na tayong ma-damage lalo ang balat natin. But as busy professionals and executives, we don't have the time for a painful recovery or a 30-minute daily routine. We need fast, effective, and painless results. Instead of forcing the skin to peel, what if we actually instruct the skin cells to repair themselves from within? That is where Olamore enters the conversation. We are moving away from traditional surface level beauty and stepping into the regenerative science. We utilize bioactive skincare technology to support your skin's biology underneath the surface. Instead of just painting over the cracks, we repair the foundation. Our ingredients actually communicate with your skin cells. We instruct your skin to act younger, repair micro damage faster, and protect itself smarter. This is the ultimate bilis ganda solution for busy professional. We took this advanced cellular science and simplified it into 4 high-performance steps. Step 1, facial essence. This is a 3-in-1 toner serum, volume booster, and peptide. Step 2, quintessence ampule. This is the heavy lifter, contains massive 10,000 parts per million of PDRN, sodium DNA, and alpine edelweiss plant stem cell to trigger deep cellular repair via transdermal delivery. No needles, no pain. Step 3, Corla Creme, your daily shield. And finally, step 4, our Prime Renew BB Cream. It's a hybrid tinted sunscreen Not only does it give you an instant flawless finish to hide blemishes, but also features SPF 50 PA+++ and copper tripeptide 1 to actively treat wrinkles while you wear it. Prepare, regenerate, reinforce, protect. 4 steps, 3 minutes, maximum results. Now, how can you help me grow this week, BNI Rise? I am looking for 3 specific types of connections. Bread and butter, my fellow business professionals, executive leaders who want premium, time-efficient skincare, people who need executive glow but are always on the go. My cream referral would be dermatologists, aesthetic clinics, spa owners who are looking to upgrade their clinic retail offerings or services with advanced regenerative science. My dream referral would be OFW community leaders, OFW entrepreneurs who wants to partner with us to distribute a premium brand globally. So here's the exact script you can use to refer me. If you're tired of experimenting with skincare routine that cause irritation without delivering real result, I'll introduce you to Art. He's an expert you need to speak with. A dual licensed registered nurse with 17 years experience in the industry, specializes in advanced transdermal, medical grade stem cell, and evidence-based skin rehab. Now currently supplies over 20 aesthetic and retail partners nationwide. You don't have to sell Olamore for me. Just open the door because the future of skincare isn't about standing in front of the mirror for 30 minutes. It's about smart technology that respects your time and delivers real visible confidence. I'm Arthur Macoge Jr. of Infinite Vida. We don't just sell skincare, we sell confidence in seconds. Thank you, BNI Rise. Let's book those one-to-ones and let's glow!
Thank you so